Accessibility on the web isn't just adding alt text to images, and it should never just be an afterthought. Accessibility is about making digital spaces usable for everyone. That means considering multiple levels of ability, not just one kind of visual impairment. For example, heading structures need to be logical so assistive technologies can navigate the page. Color contrast has to be high enough for users with low vision or color blindness to be able to actually read your content. And sites have to be easily navigable for users that don't use a mouse, and that's just the beginning. According to W3C Web Accessibility Initiative, there are several components of web development that need to be considered for accessibility. These include content, which is the core of a site, and includes your text, images, sounds, and the underlying markup and structure. User agents, these are the tools people use to access content, such as browsers and media players. Assistive technologies, such as screen readers, alternative keyboards, or switches, which help users with disabilities interact with the web. Users themselves, their knowledge, experiences, and adaptive strategies. Developers, designers, coders, and authors, including those with disabilities, shape accessible content. Authoring tools, this is software like CMS platforms, such as WordPress and Drupal, to name a couple, and editors need to support accessibility from the creation stage. Evaluation tools, which are validators and accessibility checkers, help identify and fix accessibility issues early on. These components don't operate in isolation. They're deeply interdependent, and the components must work together in order for the web to be accessible. Here at Cheeky Monkey Media, we've lost count of how many times we've caught accessibility issues during the discovery phase of a project. Catching these issues early on means we can plan fixes before development even starts, saving time, money, and frustration, and most importantly, creating a smoother experience for every user. And beyond the user experience, there's also legal risk. In many countries, digital accessibility is required by law. Ignoring it can lead to lawsuits, bad press, and a loss of trust. If you're designing for everyone, accessibility can't be an afterthought. It has to be built in from the very start. So if your entire accessibility strategy fits into an alt tag, we should probably talk.